Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 3.0 V6 turbo eco diesel engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in bright silver. It looks great. You do have the chrome Laramie grille up front with the chrome bumper. It looks great. You do also have bifunction projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here, we do have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look fantastic as well. You do got those running boards along the bottom as well as the Eco Diesel badging. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors there in the chrome with the turning signals on them. And coming all the way around to the back, you do have a 5-foot box here. Now you do have the chrome bumper back here with the dual exhaust pipes and your parking sensors, as well as your backup camera right there. You can lift this, falls down just like that. You do have the box liner back here, looks fantastic, keeps things from getting scratched up, and it is a 5-foot box as I said. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it all warm and toasty for you. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there if it's locked. You do have the button there to unlock it as well, or lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting here and kind of a wood finish. You do also have a handle here, some storage here, and some more just down there. Very nice interior. It is leather, feels great, and that stitching accents it very nicely. You do also have the controls over your seat, so your backward and your forward, as well as your tilt, your lumbar support, and your seat memory. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, or auto or off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press it in, you do have your fog lights. And then right up there we do have the controls over our windshield wipers and our turning signals, as well as our high beam. The keys are in the cup holder, so all we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. In the center here, we do have our fuel gauge, our engine temperature, we have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we also have our transmission temperature and our oil there. Now, we can change that guy around in the center. Right now, it does say the speedometer. It says how many kilometers, which is only 1,742. That's pretty much nothing. You also have the temperature outside and which way we're facing, but we can change that around. You got your vehicle info. You do have your fuel economy, your trip A, your trip B, your trailer tow, your audio, your stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call-out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. And around the back of the steering wheel right here, we do have a volume up and down, as well as a source changer in the center. And on the other side, we do have an identical button that is for the channel. Now right over here we do have the control over our gears, so just like that. Then you also have the 4-wheel low and the 4-wheel lock, as well as the 2-wheel and the auto. And when you are in reverse, you do have that ever handy backup camera that I talked about before. It does move with your steering wheel. Now you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as you have your media tab if you have something hooked up through Bluetooth, USB, or aux cord. You also have your controls here for your heated and vented seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, and then your backup camera and your mirror dimmer. You also have your apps right there. Then you got your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, as well as all the rest of the stuff there. Now you got your navigation, so you can hit view map. You can see where we are on Rec Place, of course. And then we also have our phone. If we have one hooked up through Bluetooth right here, you can access all that stuff. And then down here we do have our volume up and down with the mute. We have our screen off. We have our hazard lights, our back button, and our browser. We also have our AC, circulation, heat up and down. You got the power here, the audio, all that, front and rear defrost. And then you got your trailer brake. You have your traction control, your tow and haul mode, and your park assist. Then you have your heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and heated and vented seats for the passenger. You got some storage in there. Got some storage in here with a place to sit your phone. You got your cup holders right here. And then in the center we do have our armrest, which does double as a storage container. You got some coin holders here. And then right over here we have an aux cord and USB plug-in. 2 of them actually. And then close that guy up, open this guy. Got lots of room in there to put whatever you might need to. And then right over here we do have a dual layer glove box. So we got the top layer and the bottom layer right there. Tons of room. And then up top here, we do have the control over our sunroof. We have the little window in the back and the universal garage door opener. There's our sunroof. Lets in lots of light. And the little window in the back right there, just like that. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door, you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle and the wood finish. You got the control over your windows here, a handle, some storage, and some more down there. Lots of room back here. It is a crew cab, so you got tons of room for passengers. It does seat 3 people back here, and it is leather. Now you can fold this forward as well, just like that. You got some cup holders and an armrest as well. You can fold these seats up just like this, and you do have this guy which folds down like that. You have a flat surface to put stuff on top of, or you can fold it up and there is some storage under there. There's just some extra stuff. On the other side there is a subwoofer to blast your music, and you do also have some additional storage just in there. You also have the heated seats for the rear passengers. Well, that does it for my walk around for you, the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.